So it's just about after 6 o'clock in the evening, and I've got a bit of deja vu. I have been dispatched to Ponce Inlet to pick up, I believe, a trawler that is offshore and out of fuel. Now, I carry about 15 gallons of fuel. That was not sufficient for him, so we are going to tow him into Cay Marina, which is the same marina that I just towed that sailing cat into a few hours ago. So I'm not sure which order these videos come in, but they might be the same. It is definitely the same day. Let's see how I do. Hey, this is Captain Chris with Towboat. I am, I don't know, about 5 minutes from getting to the inlet. Are you in the inlet or are you outside? Okay, all right. And are you anchored, I assume? Okay, good deal. How much water do you draw? Okay, all right, sounds good. What I may actually do is just do a hip tow. I'll pull up alongside, we'll tie up, and then we should be able to get you over there pretty quick. All right, see you in a few. So it's a little too rough out here for me to do a hip tow. So I'm going to tow you in, and we'll switch at some point when we get in. So just stay anchored for a moment.
I'm sure many of you are wondering, how does the captain of a $1 million plus yacht manage to run out of fuel? Well, it seems the customers are moving their brand new boat from Fort Lauderdale up to Maryland. Their intentions were to pull into Port Canaveral for refueling, and I don't know if they were running on autopilot and misjudged or plotted incorrectly, but they ended up passing Port Canaveral, and by the time they realized it, they were committed to trying to make it to Ponce Inlet. And the rest is history.
Go ahead. Lay those on one on each side so that it doesn't interfere with your bow rails. No, don't do that. Just lay it right over, because otherwise they might tighten up and we won't be able to get them off. All right. Watch your fingers. Yeah. Make sure that your rudders are straight.
SeaTow, can you hear me? SeaTow, can you hear me?
This is towboat.
Yeah, we had to mess with it. It's working, so.
I'm sorry, say that again?
VHF is working.
Perfect. Okay. What I may do is I'm going to go the long way, which is, go around the intracoastal. At some point, if you're able to, I'd like you to drop anchor so that I can pull up alongside and tie up.
Whatever you need.
Very good. I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Securite, Securite, Securite. Towboat US Timothy Shea, Towboat US Timothy Shea, Towboat US Timothy Shea. All vessels operating in the area of Ponce Inlet be advised. Towboat US is conducting a stern tow of a disabled vessel. We will be entering the inlet in the next few minutes. We will be headed north on the intracoastal and then swing around, come south for our final destination at Cay Marina. Any questions or concerns, please contact Towboat US on channel 14. Bring this up and put it on your mid cleat. Is that a window on the side there?
Yes.
All right. All right, so I'm just gonna nudge it into forward. Let's see how it reacts, and you can start pulling the anchor up. Since you're so much longer than me, does your rudders work without the engine running? I might need you to dial in a little bit of starboard rudder, but we'll see. All right, go ahead and start pulling the anchor up. Let me know when it's up. Is she up? Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So when you guys get a chance, I would throw, if you haven't already, rig a bow line and a stern line and get fenders on that side. And then if you want, call the marina and tell them we're about 10 minutes out.
Yeah, I think he's waiting for us, but they closed. He said he's going to stay a week.
Okay, good deal. Yeah, they're pretty good people there.
A few moments later.
What's that?
Turn him a little bit. Good, right there.
How many feet from the dock?
We're still 75.
Am I past the catamaran yet?
No, we're not even to the catamaran.
Oh, okay.
Now it's just about even with the catamaran.
Okay. Okay. Just keep an eye on the catamaran. I can see the end of the dock now.
We're heading towards the catamaran. We gotta go down. We gotta go forward.
I can't hear you.
He's up.
Okay, I'm in neutral. I'm neutral.
you go. Go ahead.
Yeah, I gotta get him to sign my iPad. I'll pull around the other side. There you go.
Take you loose.
Yeah, go ahead. Very good. All right,
you.
see you guys in a sec. Go, and we'll email you a receipt. It's all. Oh wow! Thank you very much. Send a text to Kendall.
What do you want to say?
Tow finished, no problems, headed back to base.